Alright, now in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up some scenes for your live stream, and that you can make your stream unique to yourself and to what you like, so that your stream and your scenes look as if it actually belongs to you and no one else. So let's hop right in. Right, what we have here is what we had last time, right? But this time you go to scene collection, you say new, you call it something, you give it a name. Now you have a blank scene. Nothing. You can rename this to maybe starting soon. You add a source, right? Say image. One of your favorite pictures you can take, and then you add text. You can download these text, animated starting soon. You can even download overlay packs. So we name this like that, and we write we choose our font. Let's go with this one. We choose our font color, blood red. We can make the center, then we outline it, and we make the thickness say about 4, 5. Okay, and if that is not good enough for you, you can go here, you make it like so, and then make it big enough. Okay, now you have a starting soon scene. We will come back to this one. Just remember, this is the starting soon. We name this one we write here now our stream is ending soon, it's starting soon. We will be right back. Everything top notch. Now let me show you something. In these 3 scenes, this is starting soon, be right back, and ending soon. What you want to do, you want to add a media source. We call it background music. We go to where we saved our background music. We say, for instance, nice music. We loop it, and then we say okay. To be right back, we add media source, add existing background music. As you can see, it's playing there in the background. Starting soon, same thing, media source, add existing background music. Okay, As you can see, your background music is coming through your system. It's coming through your system, it's coming through your stream, each and everything is fine. If you should go to be right back, same music playing. We go to ending soon, same music playing. Now I will show you something good, something nice, ne? Everything is set up the way you want it to be. Ending soon, starting soon. Before you hit that start streaming, you have everything in place. Say for instance you are interrupted while streaming. You just click be right back, mute your mic. Everything is solid, top notch. Now this is your 3 scenes for starting, be right back and ending soon. Now you go to, say for instance you want to stream your PC gaming. PC gaming. For this, you say it's display capture, right? You select your display you want to capture. Okay, now you have your display that you want to capture. You put in a video capture device. You name it camera. Okay, you use your camera. You make it noise for yourself. Right, so this is now your basic scene. PC gaming, ending soon, starting soon, be right back. All the other twists and tweaks you can do with your camera, say for instance, you put a filter on it, you say advanced mask, alright, you want a circle, you switch your radius to maybe a little bit bigger. Then you can feather it out in the outer edges. Say for instance you feather it out. All those other twists and tweaks I can show you where to get that. You need to download the plugins for that masks. I will leave it in the description, don't worry, the links will be there. Then you have your setup ready for if you want to go live. Feather it inwards, make the radius a little bit smaller. I wish I was a little bit taller. Now you have that camera looking like nice and spotless, man. You have that camera looking spotless, nice circle with feathering. You can put like shadows on it, but now you have your basic setup. Then you can have transitions between your scenes. You can download some basic transitions. Say for instance, if you choose a transition, you add stinger. Say for instance stinger, you call it stinger. I have a couple. YouTube. You have that. You take this. You make this less, say 2 milliseconds. Okay. Now, you see? Clean. Black screen. See, nice. Your transition is coming and going. If you want to flip between scenes, you have this transition. You can get other transitions. All of them are downloadable. I know there's a way you can make your own transitions. I will make an extra video on that. You can add your other, you know what I'm saying, you can add your other scenes, like say your Xbox or your PS5, PS4, PS3, Nintendo Switch, TV game, whatever you want. So this is just to show you how to get your scenes in order, adding your sources. What do you need? You get animated text, you get animated video that you can loop for just doing your scenes. Make it unique and add your own text. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Enjoy streaming. See you in the next one.